Our first question is, the radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 40 centimeter. Find the focal length. This is very simple question. For this only you need to remember one formula, that radius of curvature is 2 times of focal length. Okay, here you need to find out the focal length. So what you will do, focal length is equal to half of radius of curvature. So f is equal to 40 upon 2, 20 centimeter. If it will ask for sign, so focal length of concave mirror is in the left hand side of the mirror, so that is why it is negative. Now the second question, it is given the focal length of a concave mirror is 10 centimeter. Find the radius of curvature. Same question, only here the focal length is given and we need to find out radius of curvature. So here you can see radius of curvature is 2 times of focal length. So r is equal to 2 times of 10. So r is equal to 20 centimeter. This is our answer. Now the question number 3 is given to us. An object of height 2 centimeter is placed at a distance 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. Find the position, size and nature of image. For this question you only need to follow the links, that you will just put the values. So first it is given object's height is 2 centimeter. So with which symbol we represent the object height, that is O. So here you will write given data O means size of object is 2 centimeter. Now it is placed at a distance 20 centimeter, which is placed, object is placed. So for the object we take the distance as small u, and small u is 20 centimeter, and the object is placed in the left hand side of mirror, that is why u is always negative, either it is concave mirror or convex mirror. Now we will check what it is given after that. So here it is given focal length 12 centimeter. So focal length is equal to f, and f is given 12 centimeter. Again you need to check for u, v and f. You will check the signs also. So here you will see focal length of concave mirror, and for the concave mirror focal length is in the left hand side of the mirror, and for that it is negative. So f is equal to minus 12 centimeter. Now what we need to find out? So we need to find out the size, position and nature of image. So for the position means what is the distance of image from the pole of mirror. So for that we use the symbol V. So we need to find the value of V. Then size of image. So for the size of image we use the symbol I. So we will find the, it is, what is the symbol of value of I. Now the nature of image, that means either it is virtual or real. Okay, and how it is magnified or diminished, inverted or erect, that is the nature of image. So first you can see you need to find out the value of V. For that we will use the mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So put the value with sign. So 1 by minus 12 is equal to 1 by v. We need to find out. So we will write v only, and u is 1 by minus 20. Now what you will do, you will first change the sign. So 1 by minus 12, it will written as minus 1 by 12, 1 by v plus minus minus. So minus 1 by 20. Now what you will do, this minus 1 by 20 you will transfer this side, because we need to find out the value of v. So variable one side, constant one side. So minus 1 by 12, and this minus will be transferred, so it will become plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. Just solve it. So how to solve? First we will find out the LCM. So LCM of 12 and 20, both are even, so it will be divided by 2, again even, again 2, now 3 and then 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So the LCM is 60. So 60 will be divided by 12, so that is 5, so minus 5, and 60 will be divided by 23, 3 ones are 3, is equal to 1 by v, minus 5 plus 3, 5 minus plus minus, so 5 minus 3 2. But what you will put the sign? So sign is always put for the bigger number is 5 and 5 is negative, so it will be minus 2 by 60. Simplify it, so it is y minus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by v. So v is equal to minus 30, and what is the unit? Centimeter, so it is also centimeter. Okay, so v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. You found the position of image. Now we will find out the size of image. So how to find out size? So we use the formula for magnification. M is equal to I upon O, and that is also equal to V upon U. So first you will use the value V upon U, because you don't know the value of O. You only know the value of O. So you will use M is equal to V upon U. What is the value of V? That is 30, and the value of U, that is 20. 0 0 cancel. M is equal to 3 by 2. Now you will use the formula M is equal to I upon O. So M is 3 by 2, I we need to find out, and O is 2. 2 cancel. So I is equal to 3 centimeter. Now you need to write the nature of the image. So the value of V is equal to 30 centimeter, because it is negative, that means it is in front of the mirror. Okay. The next is given the size of image. So the size of image I is equal to 3 centimeter. You can see that O is 2 centimeter and I is 3, means the object is smaller and the image is bigger. That is why the image is magnified, and because it is magnified and it is in front of the mirror, and whenever the image is in front of the mirror, it is always real image. Real image is always inverted image. So this is the nature of image, and the third nature is it is magnified also. I hope this question is clear. Now we will move forward to next question. Next question is, an object is placed at 4 centimeter. That means the value of U is 4 centimeter. U is always negative. In front of a concave mirror, radius of curvature means capital R is given to you 24 centimeter. Find the position of image. Here you need to find out the position of image, means value of V, and also is the image magnified. That means we will find out the size of image also, or magnification. If the magnification is more than 1, that means there the image is magnified. If the magnification is less than 1, means image is diminished. If the magnification is equal to 1, means the size of object and the size of image is same. Okay, so what we will do, first you can see you need to find out the value of V. Here value of U is given. We can use the mirror formula. But for the mirror formula, we need to use the value of F also. So from where we will find R is equal to 2F. So F is equal to R by 2. So 24 by 2, 12 centimeter. Just put the value. 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by minus 4. Now check. It is concave mirror. So focal length will be negative. So this should also be taken as negative. Now you will use the sign 1 minus 1 by 12. 1 by V plus minus minus. So minus 1 by 4. Transfer this. Minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by V. Now we will find out LCM. So LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. 12 minus 1 and 12 for 3. So 1 by V. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 12 is equal to 1 by V. Now you will see bigger number is positive. So your answer is in positive. Okay. Now 1 by 6. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 6, means V is equal to 6 centimeter. Now from here you can see, because the value of V is positive, that means image is in the right hand side of the mirror. So image is behind the mirror. Whenever the image value of V is negative, image is in front of the mirror. Whenever the value of V is positive, it is behind the mirror. Okay. Now the question also asked, is the image magnified? For that we will find out the magnification, that is V upon U. So M is equal to V upon U. V is equal to 6 and U is equal to 4. So 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. 3 by 2, that is 1 and 1 by 2, means it is bigger than 1, so image is magnified. Yes. What you will write? Yes, image is magnified. Now we will go for the next question. It is given, at what distance from a concave mirror of focal length 25 cm should an object be placed so that the size of image is equal to the size of object? Okay, so here at what distance object should be placed, means we need to find out the value of u. Focal length is given, f is equal to 25 centimeter. Now it is said that the size of object and the size of image should be same, means the value of m is equal to 1. Okay. In this question you need to remember one simple thing. What is that? That if the object is at center of curvature, then only the size of image is equal to size of object. So if the object is at center of curvature, so where it should be? At R. Okay, the R is equal to 2f, so R is equal to 2 into 25, so R is equal to 50 centimeters. So where you will put the object? You will put the object at 50 centimeter, then only the image will also be equal to a size of object. Here you need to remember the concept that whenever the object at center of curvature, in that case the size of object is equal to size of image. That is why we will put the object at center of curvature, then only the size of image and object will be equal. Okay. So this is for today only. Other questions we will solve in the next video. If you like my effort, please subscribe to my channel.